This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure the game is fully updated and both players are signed in. Once done, clear the client cache and restart the app to remove temporary glitches that block UI elements. Next, open settings and confirm trade permissions are enabled for you and the recipient. This is often the simple cause. Doing these steps first removes common blockers, so you can focus on the specific trade button behavior without wasting time on repeat restarts. You now dig into the interface. Open the developer console or use the game's safe mode to inspect the trade button element and see if it receives clicks. If you run add-ons or scripts, disable them and test in a clean profile because conflicts often intercept input. Also rebind trade hotkeys or reset the UI layout to default to restore hidden elements. These steps reveal whether the problem is visual, input-related, or caused by external code that prevents the game from registering the action. To finish, verify integrity or reinstall damaged game files. Corrupted assets can break UI controls. Make sure you coordinate timing with the other player since trades require synchronous acceptance and can appear broken if one side delays. If the button still fails, test on another device or network to separate local client issues from account or server problems. If that isolates the issue, collect logs and contact support with reproducible steps. This helps developers patch server-side causes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.